going to be going over two really cute Easter projects. If y'all saw my last reel, I went to the dollar store and just grabbed some cute Easter projects, well, some Easter products that I can turn into either projects or gifts for the kiddies. These are really, really simple, and it's something that you can do at home. Welcome to Crafty Sunday, guys. Thanks for joining. I'm Monet, my Melanie Crafts owner. Every Sunday I do Crafty Sundays where I go over different projects that you can create at home, craft, really affordable, and I also showcase different projects that I sell in my shop that you can also DIY. These are really, really simple, and it's something that you can do at home. So I'm gonna start with the first project, these Easter eggs. Like I said, I got everything from the $1.25 store, not the dollar store, the $1.25 store. So everything was that price. And these are the little eggs that they have. Typically all of their Easter stuff is already up front. So what we'll be doing is just simply personalizing these and then filling them with the candy or, you know, all of the things that you will put in the Easter basket. All we're gonna do is add these just to personalize it and then give them out to the kids. But what I wanted to show you guys was they came like this, you know, already packaged together, but they also came with these little, I don't know, pictures on them, and I didn't really like them. I already removed it from this egg. This one had flowers on it. What I did was I took some alcohol wipes and I took this glue off, which is this Pro Strength remover. It removes all types of glue. When I got my garage done, I had some paint spills on the floor. This took it up, cleaned it up off the floor. So I'm gonna use this to remove it from the actual lids of the eggs. So I'm gonna first make sure I'm safe and put my glove on. This alcohol wipe, and I'm sure you can just use a regular, you know, paper towel or anything, but I just have these available. So I'm gonna take this, put that off to the side. I'm gonna pour some of this in here. And I'm gonna finish removing this one. So as you can see, I already started with the leftover from that one. So all I'm gonna be doing is removing this with the glue off, and it comes right off. To this, and as you can see, it completely removed it off. So you can go in and add, you know, a bunch of different little icons or whatnot to the top of the egg, but I'm just gonna be adding the name. All right, so now that we have that removed, like I stated, I already had cut out my names on my Cricut. So now I'm just gonna transfer them over. And if you're new to the Cricut process, I'm still learning as well. It's definitely a journey, I would say, for this, but it's really, it's not that difficult. So with this egg, I'm gonna put it on the lid. I'm just gonna adhere it to the top like this. So let's move everything off to the side. You're gonna need your vinyl and then your transfer paper. So what I'm gonna do is cut off the sides of my words. Just gonna press this down. Take your clear paper, your transfer paper. You're gonna place it on top of the name. You wanna make sure it's super flat. Literally scrape and make sure that your vinyl is adhering to your transfer paper. And what I like to do as well is flip it over and really, really push down on it. Get all of the bubbles out and everything. And then what you wanna do is just peel back. And if you see it lifting up, that's totally normal. You just wanna make sure, go in and make sure that you pull it back down. So scrape back over it if you see that it's not coming onto the transfer paper. So pull, pull, pull. Sometimes you can just press it down as well. So it's peeling off. So I have here my son's name, and all I'm gonna do, as stated, he likes blue more. So all I'm gonna do is adhere this to the top of this. Then we're gonna scrape. Make sure that it's super straight. And then you wanna just slowly peel it off, making sure that everything is in the spot where it needs to be. And then you have it personalized like that. So now that you see, this is actually personalized. And then you can give it out and fill up the baskets. So let's do the next name. Right, so that's what we have for the name. So we have Kyrie in cursive font. So the fun part, you wanna take some fillers. You wanna take your bottom of your baskets. I'm gonna move some stuff to the side. And just fill your baskets up. Now these are little eggs, so you don't need that much. So we have our filler, our filling for the basket. Put that off to the side. And of course I went and picked up some just little small snacks and things like that to fill up the basket. So I have some Reese's. My favorite thing is Reese's, so that's probably the majority of what I grabbed. So take some Reese's, fill up the basket, and then take another little Skittles egg, fill that up as well. I'll take these, some more candies. Put them around here. And that'll be that. As far as filling the baskets up goes. And now, all we have to do is put our little lid on. Our personalized top. So just stuff this grass in here. And like I said, all this stuff came from the dollar store, so it'll be super easy to make. And it's, again, super affordable. You can get so much out of a few items out of the $1.25. I keep forgetting, the $1.25 store. All right, so these are a little, I mean, it's $1.25, but let's see, it's supposed to snap. There we go. So we have, how cute are these? 2 little eggies with personalized names on them, filled with your child's or your nephew's or whoever's favorite little candies. And how just adorable are these 2? And this total project cost me $3. Well, $3.75.